That's what you get for trying to be a kid's friend, eh? I'm so absolutely happy that she's at the age that she still wants to do all the exciting things and still wants to be around us. As I say, as soon as she touched 15, 16 like big sis, we have to make an appointment to see her, yeah? Jeez. Teenagers, listen.
I'm not a teenager.
I know. Listen, I get so, well, we get so excited when Malia talks to us. Like, yeah, because this almost 16-year-old, oh Lord, I'm just kidding. Of course she socializes, but you know, she in our zone, but this is the one right here. We're enjoying all the moments. You know when Malia at the age there, you know? When Malia at the age there, Jesus. Malia was her first little best friend. And your second born best friend.
I need a daughter, not best friend.
Oh Lord. That's what you get for trying to be a kid's friend, eh? Can't be a kid's friend, right, kid? Yes.
Mommy, look what I'm doing.
Turn off the pipe, anyways. So guys, this weekend has been quite crazy. Weekend leading to the following week actually, because last weekend we had a storm watch, and then tomorrow, Thursday and Saturday, we're expecting unusual amount of snow. I'm in the store, that's why I'm looking around. So we had to come back to the store to just pick up some stuff, because it's a possibility that the girls will be out of school for tomorrow, Thursday. But then they had a PA day. They had a PA day planned anyways for Friday, so that would have been that. So that would, if school is out tomorrow, they'll be out for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday is family day. So you know, that's a long weekend. So even though they're not snackers, we decided to pick up some little knick-snack stuff that they can just pop in the oven. Took up like some ready done, what you call them, wings and some popcorn chicken, and you know, some little things that they can pop in the oven and be independent and help themselves. So you know, we're back in the store. Daddy there, say hi.
Hello people, we're here.
Yes, so
In the south.
No, so, and that's the next
The
thing.
salt,
What
them
care?
always keep the salt on the front.
No, but sometimes them have it out like round there, so Theodore.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a store.
So we
So
have to
run
check.
at it,
But a lot of
lot of
stores are run out of salt, you know.
yeah, like no, everybody will come like the companies them
So the
and them
stores, it's
business
actually
place.
full because we're around the back where nobody's coming. People are more focused on buying grocery like food.
You know, go buy
So
salt at the house.
nobody's really down this side in the store. But trust me, the shop full. A lot of people are there. So we need to get some salt to throw on the walkways, you know, in the house, at the house. So we need to do that. But we can't get the salt. Because the Pat was saying that, oh, food waste bin, we can close. Come back one of them there eventually. But yeah, so what I'm telling you, I really hope they let the kids them stay home still. To be honest, because never send them kids them. Yeah, but to be honest, would mind them stay home because for carry her to school in the morning with the whole snow, because even if it starts snowing, if it doesn't get out of control, they might still keep school. But then they're saying that the school buses might be out. Everybody's on watch.
So the
They
school
said that they
bus
release it by
and
6
the
a.m.
yeah.
They said by 6 a.m. they release the update to say, yeah. So because,
Go stay.
so we just want to pick up some stuff. Oh, we need to get tissue. We need to get some tissues for you guys, of course. As him know deep down them so I'm gonna use them something because I don't need it.
I really tell the people that.
I don't need those stuff, Theodore. Why would I need to use tissue? What people use tissue to do? I have unscented flushable wipes for the other areas, right? So why do I need tissue? Tissue is mostly for the rear end.
Oh.
And I know that I don't
you know,
use that
You know,
section
do that
of the body,
in clothes.
right?
Yeah.
So we need to get the tissue. We need to turn and go down this one. What am I gonna bake now? Your file pan? No. You good? Come, Mama, go get the tissue. For you guys. So you don't really want to come back weekend? Since you had to come, we just decided we're gonna shop the get everything. I need do I need detergent? I think I might need the softener. We buy detergent, we don't buy the softener. Place full up. But you guys, we'll catch you later. Guys, so we're in. Got a few Nick snacks. As long as we're warm, sheltered, and clothed, we are grateful. You know, it has been, the weather has been tempting us or playing with us for a while now, Theodore. Even though we did get a good chunk of snow over the weekend. Yeah, last week. Well, last week. So,
yeah, almost every week we get some.
yeah, almost every week we've been having weather warnings, storm watch, ice, what do you call it, ice rain warning.
Every week.
Every week. So this week they said Thursday and Saturday. Yeah, they're making up back for lost times. Last year was not very bad. So it's like, really? You thought you got away? So, you know, I just honestly hope either way, even if it's not as much snow as they expected, I really hope that the kids stay home because just now it's really starting to what do you call it? It's starting to pick up. It's starting to pick up. It started snowing from we're outside. It's getting heavier. So I know that even if it drops at this pace all through the night, tomorrow will be, you know, very. We'll have a lot of snow tomorrow.
No, it'll be very nice. Nice.
Really?
Nice.
The only good takeaway, well, not the only, but a good takeaway from this is that when it snows, it means that it's warmer, right? Because it has to warm up in order to snow. And warming up does not mean that it's not cold. It's just that it's warmer
-10.
than the negative 20s or the negative whatever, right? So we still have that to give God thanks for, that it's not going to be as extremely cold once it's snowing all night tomorrow. And the truth is, I don't mind going out when it's snowing because it's not like unbearably cold. So yeah, anyways, honestly, I'm gonna have a quick night tonight. I anticipate to have a quick night tonight. I'm gonna do the roast beef, the ground beef. Where you have to do?
Carry?
Mm-hmm.
Carry 2 hot down or something like that, or carry cocoa bread. But if you ever do that, might as well.
Yeah, might do it because either way the kids might want it to do with a pizza or Malay do a wrap or something. So I'm gonna just do some. I'm gonna do a ground beef, and I buy a couple more packs of my vegetable packs, throw the veg. So that's it. So let me unpack these groceries quickly. Can't tell a lie. I could not have imagined being born and not being Jamaican. When I think about it, it's like, can you imagine you have people out there who don't know what it is to be Jamaican? Listen. Can't believe. I feel so lucky. I feel lucky. I feel so blessed to know that I was born Jamaican. Like, you see, even being in Canada, to be Jamaican is a stunt. Like, it's a big deal. Like, everybody wants to be Jamaican. Everybody wants to talk Jamaican. They like our lingos. They like our patois. They like our music. It's like when you're authentic Jamaican, it's like a big deal business. So, yeah. Like, I don't think you guys know how blessed you are to be Jamaicans. And even more blessed to live in Jamaica. Like, you have so much things to give God thanks for. We're a very blessed country. And I always tell everybody, I want everybody to get visas. I want everybody to get the opportunity to live in another country. I want everybody to get that opportunity. Everybody. Don't get me wrong, I know the pros and the cons of both situations. And the truth is, the opportunities that some of these foreign countries or first world countries present to us, it is by far and wide like a good opportunity, you know. But the truth is, you see, any day they make a mistake, I make Jamaica sort out certain things. We're not gonna have space, people. We're gonna start riding bicycle now. Can drive on the road. Too much care about. Too much people want to come back home. Like, many people living outside of Jamaica, I don't think they necessarily want to live outside of Jamaica. It's just different opportunities, different situations, different reasons. Let me tell you, say any day certain things start out in a Jamaica, there's not space. There won't be enough space to accommodate Jamaicans coming home. Trust me. But yeah. We just need to get it together. But I'm telling you, it's something. Yeah, it's something to be born Jamaican. I can't, I'm so blessed. I can't believe I was so lucky to be chosen to be Jamaican. But anyways, we need an early night tonight. So midnight, Fiola is almost done with her homework, and I think Mali already gave her a bath because Daddy and I stopped at the store to get some stuff, just in case they have to stay home tomorrow. But either way, they have to stay home the following day. And yes, I'm gonna get going right now. Put on some ground beef. While it a cook, I can do everything else because of ground beef. I can leave it on the stove, make it go and do its thing. Let me get going. Yep, so it's report season for the girls. So we got both of their reports at this point. You saw Malia's report as well, right? It sent you an email. I'm gonna see it come in.
Today?
Not today. So it's report season. Congratulations to my babies. You know my man daddy is proud of you. We work hard in the nights. We work hard. So hard work pays off. Hooray! Yeah, so kind of tired, guys. Kind of tired. But, you know, we always have to celebrate the girls. Let them know that we're proud of them.
When you say that, yeah, what's it? 15 minutes late. You got come back again.
Which one?
So you tell them say tired and gone.
I know, right? So, yeah, you know, we're proud of them. We're proud of them. And congratulations to both my babies. Keep working hard. Keep doing what you're doing. You know, we love you. Yes, listen. We're proud because we put in a lot of work in them grades in the door. Because we stay up late night and I do homework not nice, you know. And listen, this is one of the things when I think about having another child, because I'm like, listen, I'm gonna have to go to school all over again. Because right now I'm in high school and what I'm calling school age, what I'm calling primary level, right? So each time I have to be doing it over and over again. Theodore and I were just talking about like just when people say, you know, oh, have another child. I'm like, because we're such hands-on parents. When we think about having another child, we're thinking about everything. Like we're going to need some help for really do this. Like we'd have a nanny or a housekeeper or something because we're hands-on parents. We do everything. We're up in the night. There's no night that passes that we don't have homework time with the girls. And as old as Malia is and as independent and as smart as she is, we help her with some of her work too, you know, where we can and when we can, as often as we can. And trust me, in more than one ways, any project she has, we have to get the stuff printed as well. We have to buy the stuff that she needs. Sometimes she needs help with work. We're up, we're reading over, we're making changes. So it's a lot. And then Fiola is coming up right behind her, and we have to help her even more now than Malia naturally, because Malia is much more independent. But trust me, so when I'm thinking about going back to basic school again, going back to, you know, kindergarten, then primary, then junior high, then I'm not sure how much help I'll be to Malia when she's in university, but of course I will definitely make myself as useful as possible, and I'm sure Theodore will as well. But it's so much, it's learning everything. Sometimes I didn't remember. You have to go back in the brain box around there, so and try to remember it and try assist them as best as you possibly can. So when I think about having another child, I'm like, Theodore, when that time, if that time should ever come again, it's gonna be I have my nanny, I have my housekeeper. So I can just focus on being a mom, because trust me, it gets crazy. But you know, it's rewarding. It's rewarding, and when you see, you know, stuff like this, when the teachers are, yeah, and checking in, like, where are you guys from? Like when they're asking their kids, what's their background? They're like, yeah, we're Jamaicans. Yeah, you have to make them know you have to represent like that. So, you know, congratulations to our babies. We're proud of you girls. We love you, as you know. We love you so much. We tell you every day. We try our very best to show you, even in those moments that are not so glorious and not so, you know, proud moments, or even in those moments when we have to correct you sternly or otherwise, we make sure that you feel loved. And you know, we cherish and we value your opinions, we value your voices, we value your feelings, and we're just proud of you both. Like, trust me, every decision we've made, every sacrifices we've made, even when we're tired, like tonight when we're so exhausted and going out there in the snow, coming in, doing grocery shopping in the snow, doing everything that we're doing in the snow, and just all the sacrifices that we've made, these are the moments that make us look and say, yes, God, thank you so much. You know, we are happy, blessed, and honored to be able to, you know, to have been chosen to be your parents. So we want you to know that, as we tell you this every day off camera, but you know, sometimes we just want the world to know how we feel about you. We love you so much, okay? You know. Alright, so most of the time I say me unpack this up them. That's what them say, box. Yeah, that's what them say teamwork make the dream working out. Watch it. Bags gone, husband, unpack the stuff. Yeah. Thank you, husband. Yes. So hey, hairstyle mash up and on the theater can be planted. Me I'll go do my ear now. Over the weekend. So if snowstorm are gonna throw me I'll go away. People might like say they bust them going around and all these things and Uber probably not gonna work. So I'm gonna do the girls here over the long break that we're gonna get. So at least their hair will be done. Yeah. I'm just so traumatized to do my own hair. Like to wash my own hair is crazy. I think I'm gonna pull up my hair and let you guys show you guys how much it has grown, because I've been wearing it low for a very long time, and you know my kids and husband has been saying I must grow it out back, but then them know I'm traumatized and we have to grow it out back. But I think I'm going to grow it. When I pull it out, I might show it to you. So anyways, let's get going. I put this ground beef on the stove and get going. Did you wash your hands? Really? With soap and properly, please. Anyways, guys. Guys, I'm finally gonna try dragon fruit for the first time. Truth is, I've never had it. I've always seen it. My sister loves it, but I'm gonna try it. And also pear, so I hope I really like that one. So I guess I'm just gonna have to. Oh my gosh, I wonder if it tastes good. I've never had it before. It smells like the skin.
So just cut it out. Let's smell it.
You don't smell it. Oh.
No, smell it.
Oh, it is of the
But
Daddy.
no.
Why are because you're not helping me.
It is. Look at it. It's a Chinese food, though. I think it's a Chinese fruit.
Yeah. See, I cut up all that first. Just try piece, copy it, and
But
try.
no, we're trying to know the throw it away. Tell her, give me a second. Daddy will come. It easy come out. You see?
Just slide out.
Yeah. My God, and the smell. Let me get from it right now. But that's everything I smell the taste, you know. And the smell and the smell so both. So slippery.
Yum, yum. Dragon fruit.
You have a great taste.
And fresh.
Maybe them can be sweet, or maybe this one is fresh.
Eat it with whipped cream or something. Eat it with whipped cream.
It can be sweet.
Yeah. Probably
It's
if
like
it
a
right.
The seeds in it with the consistency of kiwi.
Yeah.
And I love kiwi. It's good. This is dinner.
Yeah, I eat the rest of it.
Not tonight.
I mean, Molly, try it.
I rub that back. Put that in the fridge. I'm gonna eat the pear, the Asian pear. Okay, shut up. So your daddy's coming. Okay. She fussy because she said Mommy and daddy not supposed to be together because it's her daddy. And now she wanted that effort. You're gonna get back. We're gonna give you back. You can reclaim your time. We'll give you an extra 10 minutes, okay? You can reclaim your time. Alright? Yes. So go on, daddy. That's fair, daddy. So guys, when you see the schools being closed in Canada, you know it is serious. Because even when it's snow days and the weather is, the kids go outside and have, yes baby?
And your TV isn't turning on and I press power.
Or maybe I unplugged it. Let me come and look. So even when they have snow days and the temperature is up to I think minus 30 or minus 25. Yes, I unplugged it to use it the other day. I was using my ring light. Okay. Come and close back this door. Thank you, you're welcome. Yeah, so they go outside. You're most welcome, my baby. They go outside and in temperatures up to minus 30 degrees. So when you see them calling like all schools are closed, you know that it's serious times. But that gives us a little rest time. So you know, the good thing is Fiona was up. Everything is ready. She's cleaned, she's bathed, she has her lunch packed. So I'm like, use this lunch program for the day still, you know. So I'll just give her some work from home. I'll let her get some rest time, but you know, so that she's not just completely going crazy all day. And you know, I'm just gonna give her maybe 1 or 2 worksheets to complete, and she can have the rest of the day for herself because she's off again tomorrow. It's a PA day, and then off again for Monday for family day. So she'll have some time in between. I'll just give her like 1 or 2 worksheets each day. But yeah, anyways, just giving you an update. So yes, this is me in the living room, just laying down. Snow day. This is the height. The height of the snow. See how high it is? This is the height of the snow. We had to create a walkway here. Look how high it is. It's very high. Look. You can't see the height like this without, because of how it is. Look at this. Oh my gosh. There's no space to walk. Look. Oh my gosh. Yep. I'm stepping in deep. Look at that. Only white. So we're walking through a tunnel. See how high? A tunnel. A tunnel of snow. But this can give them an idea of how deep it is, because they just cleared the middle so that we can walk. I say, listen now, this is a good exercise for walking on this snow here. I said this morning. Why? Why? Jeez. So high. Listen now, Oliver needs snow hoop and film setter and film coat. So that's the only thing, it's so pretty on the trees. I don't mind the snow and I love the snow. I just wish I never had to dress. I just wish I never had to dress like this in the cold. I just can't manage the dressing part of it.